Welcome to the Benefits of Channel. I love bananas. What are the amazing health benefits? Appealing goodness, bananas are super bananas. They're everywhere, right? But don't let that fool you. These yellow wonders are more than just a tasty snack. Bananas are packed with good stuff that your body loves. From boosting your energy to keeping your heart happy, bananas are like a superhero in appeal. Plus, they're affordable and easy to find. What's not to love? So, get ready to go bananas as we explore the amazing health benefits of this incredible fruit. Get ready to be amazed. Packed with power. What's inside a banana? Let's dive into the amazing world of this humble fruit. Don't let their simple look fool you. Bananas are full of goodness. They might seem ordinary, but they are anything but. Bananas are a powerhouse of nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways. They've got vitamins and minerals that your body needs to stay healthy. From vitamin C to magnesium, bananas have it all. One medium banana has lots of potassium. In fact, it's one of the best sources of this essential mineral. Potassium helps your muscles work and keeps your blood pressure in check. It's crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and strong muscles. They also have vitamin B6, which is great for your brain. This vitamin supports cognitive function and helps produce neurotransmitters. And don't forget about the fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system. Bananas are full of it. Eating them can help regulate your digestive system and keep things moving smoothly. Fiber keeps your tummy happy and helps you feel full and satisfied. It's a great way to curb hunger and maintain a healthy weight. It's like a natural superpower hidden inside this yellow fruit. So next time you reach for a snack, remember the incredible benefits packed inside a banana. Happy gut. Happy you bananas for digestion. Bananas are not just a delicious snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your digestive health. Ever feel those uncomfortable rumbles in your tummy? Those moments when your stomach feels unsettled and you just can't seem to find relief? Bananas can help. They're like a gentle hug for your digestive system. Eating a banana can provide quick relief and bring a smile to your face. Bananas have a special type of fiber called pectin. This fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Pectin acts like a superhero, swooping in to save the day when your digestion is feeling off. It helps to regulate bowel movements and ensures that everything runs smoothly. It helps things move along smoothly and can even help with constipation. If you're feeling backed up, a banana might be just what you need to get things moving again. Plus, bananas are easy to digest, so they're great if your stomach is feeling a bit sensitive. They are gentle on the stomach lining and can help soothe irritation. So, next time your tummy needs a friend, reach for a banana. Not only will it help with digestion, but it will also provide essential vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling your best. Section 4. A healthy heart's best friend. Bananas for your ticker. Want a healthy heart? Bananas are here to help. These yellow wonders are packed with potassium, a mineral that's like a best friend to your heart. Potassium helps keep your blood pressure in check, which is super important for a healthy heart. It's like a bodyguard, protecting your heart from harm. Eating bananas regularly can help lower your risk of heart disease. So, show your heart some love and add a banana to your daily routine. Section 5. Energy to go-go. Bananas power you up. Feeling sluggish? Need a quick pick-me-up? Bananas are like a natural energy bar, ready to power you through your day. They're full of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars give you a quick burst of energy when you need it most. Plus, the potassium in bananas helps prevent muscle cramps, so you can keep going strong. So, grab a banana before your next workout or when you need an afternoon energy boost. Section 6. More than just a fruit. Extra banana benefits. Wait, there's more! Bananas are not just a delicious snack. They are packed with numerous benefits that go beyond just satisfying your hunger. Bananas aren't just good for your physical health, they can also give your mood a boost. Feeling down? Grab a banana. They contain tryptophan, which your body turns into serotonin, a feel-good chemical in your brain. This can help improve your mood and make you feel happier. Some folks believe bananas can help with weight loss too. They are a great addition to any diet plan. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, making you less likely to overeat. The fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. So, there you have it. Bananas are not just a tasty treat, but a powerhouse of nutrients. From your heart to your mood, bananas offer a whole bunch of incredible benefits. They are rich in potassium, which is essential for heart health and maintaining proper blood pressure levels. Make this superfruit a part of your daily routine and enjoy the amazing benefits. Whether you add them to your cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or just eat them on their own, bananas are a versatile and nutritious choice. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.